Welcome to The Explainer. I'm absolutely thrilled to have you here today because in this explainer, we're going to completely demystify the magic behind artificial intelligence. We hear about AI all the time, right? It's in the news, it's in our workplaces, it's literally in our pockets. But how often do we actually stop and look at the engine running the machine? Well, today, we are pulling back the curtain. We're going to explore the vast, dynamic ecosystem that makes AI possible, breaking down everything from the core technologies to the booming career opportunities waiting for you. Have you ever wondered who builds ChatGPT, recommendation systems, self-driving cars, and AI assistants? It's so easy to just interact with these amazing tools and feel like they, magically exist. But behind every single smart response from your AI assistant or every perfectly timed movie recommendation on your TV, there is a massive, highly coordinated effort. An entire AI ecosystem works tirelessly behind the scenes to bring these everyday realities to life. Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our roadmap for today. First, we'll look inside the AI ecosystem. 2, the technologies powering the future. 3, essential tools and platforms. 4, launching your AI career. And finally, 5, industry trends for 2026. Let's kick things off with Section 1, inside the AI ecosystem, looking at the macro view. So the crucial point is that the AI ecosystem isn't just some piece of software sitting on a server in a dark room somewhere. No, it is a living, interconnected network. It's the tools and frameworks developers use, the massive hardware and software infrastructures, the brilliant researchers pushing the boundaries, the businesses applying these solutions, and ultimately, us, the users. Every single piece relies on the others to make AI development actually happen. To truly grasp this, we need to look at the 8 key components collaborating behind the scenes. Think of it like a giant futuristic factory. First up, you have data. That's your raw material. Algorithms? Well, those are the instructions on how to process that material. Then you have computing power and cloud platforms. These act as the heavy machinery and the factory floor itself, providing the massive energy and space you need. Next, AI frameworks are the specialized tools the workers use to shape that data into models. Those models are then packaged into the applications we interact with every single day. And finally, users, you and me. We interact with those applications, which generates more data, and boom, the cycle continues. It's just a brilliant continuous loop. Moving right along to Section 2, technologies powering the future. We're heading into the engine room. So within that ecosystem factory we just talked about, these are the specific engines actually driving the innovation. Machine learning and deep learning, they act as the brain. They allow systems to learn from data without explicit programming. But a brain needs senses to interact with the world, right? That is exactly where computer vision comes in, giving the system eyes to interpret images and video. Then there's NLP, or natural language processing, that gives it the ability to understand and speak human language. Robotics gives the AI a physical body to interact with the real world. And then we have the cutting-edge stuff, generative AI, which creates entirely new text, images, and code out of thin air, and AI agents. These are autonomous systems that don't just answer your questions, but actively go out and complete tasks on your behalf. They all work together to create the intelligent systems we rely on. Let's move to and see how this builds into Section 3, essential tools and platforms, the true building blocks of AI. Look, if you're going to build in this ecosystem, you absolutely need the right tools. Python is pretty much the undisputed language of AI. It's the blueprint. A developer will use Python to write code within a workspace like a Jupyter notebook. They'll pull and organize their data using SQL, and then use these incredibly powerful libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, or scikit-learn to construct the actual neural networks. But running these complex models requires immense power. You're not running this on your everyday laptop, right? Developers deploy them on massive cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. These platforms provide the endless computing power and cloud-based AI services needed to bring these intelligent models to life for millions of users worldwide. All right, Section 4, launching your AI career. Time to talk about the human element. And this brilliantly illustrates the bridge you need to cross to enter the field. On one side, you have these booming career opportunities. We're talking AI engineer, data scientist, a specialized machine learning engineer, or even a prompt engineer, which is a totally new role focused entirely on communicating effectively with AI models. But how do you actually get there? Well, by mastering a blend of hard and soft skills. Technical skills like Python, SQL, statistics, and deep learning are definitely essential. But here's the thing. Being able to practically problem solve and clearly communicate your model to a business leader is just as important as writing the code itself. Bringing us to our final section, Section 5, Industry Trends for 2026. Let's look at the future horizon. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how these trends represent a major shift from AI being a novelty to AI being deeply woven into the fabric of our lives. We're leaning heavily into generative AI and AI agents, but pay close attention to multimodal AI. This is AI that can process text, images, and audio all at the exact same time, much like a human brain does. We're also seeing a massive push for edge AI. This means running AI directly on your local devices, like your phone or your smartwatch, rather than relying on the cloud. It makes everything faster and way more private. And absolutely crucial is responsible AI. This is an urgent industry trend dedicated to making sure these systems are ethical, unbiased, and safe for everyone. So where exactly are these trends going to be applied? Well, virtually everywhere. AI's future scope is systematically transforming major global sectors step by step. In healthcare, it's accelerating drug discovery and diagnosing diseases faster than ever. In education, it's providing hyper-personalized tutoring for students. In agriculture, we're seeing it optimize crop yields through smart monitoring. It's detecting fraud in finance in real time. It's anticipating threats in cybersecurity long before they happen. And it's completely streamlining supply chains in manufacturing. Honestly, there is not an industry on Earth that won't be touched by this ecosystem. So, what's the ultimate takeaway from our explainer today? Well, the AI ecosystem is fundamentally about connection. It connects raw technology, skilled people, and global businesses. As the worldwide adoption of these tools continues to grow at a totally unprecedented rate, the careers and opportunities within this ecosystem are absolutely booming. Technology and human opportunity are permanently linked, and that is super exciting. I want to leave you with a direct challenge drawn straight from our source material today. Which AI career role will you research next, and what tool will you master? Seriously, don't just be a passive user in this ecosystem. Find your place as a builder. Pick a role, maybe an AI researcher or a data analyst, and list out the skills you need. Pick one tool, like Python or TensorFlow, and just start exploring. The ecosystem is out there waiting for you. Thanks so much for joining me on The Explainer, and keep learning.